Imagine if building wealth wasn't about catching the perfect moment, but about showing up again and again. Many believe that success in investing is all about timing, waiting for that magical instant when everything aligns. But what if that's not the case? What if the secret is much simpler, rooted in consistency rather than prediction? This video will explore how steady participation can transform your financial journey, and why the myth of perfect timing might be holding you back from true wealth. Stock market often feels like a stormy ocean, calm and inviting one day, then wild and intimidating the next. Most people stand on the shore hesitant and uncertain, asking themselves, when is the right time to invest? This uncertainty can freeze even the most determined investors, making them wait for a sign that may never come. The reality is the market's unpredictability is a constant, and waiting for perfect conditions is a recipe for missed opportunity. Many believe that there is a perfect moment to invest, a time when everything is just right. But the truth is, such a moment rarely exists. The market moves in ways that are impossible to predict with certainty. Even seasoned professionals struggle to consistently time their investments. Instead of waiting for perfection, it's more effective to focus on what you can control, your actions and your habits. This is where dollar cost averaging comes in. Rather than investing all your money at once, you invest a fixed amount regularly, whether it's $50, $100, or any sum that fits your budget. This approach doesn't require you to predict market highs or lows. Instead, it lets you participate in the market consistently, regardless of its current state. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that anyone can use, and it's surprisingly powerful. Dollar cost averaging, you invest the same amount at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. When prices are high, your fixed investment buys fewer shares. When prices are low, it buys more. Over time, this process averages out your cost per share, helping to smooth the impact of market volatility. It's a simple yet effective way to build wealth without the stress of trying to time the market. One of the greatest benefits of dollar cost averaging is its ability to remove emotion from investing. When you invest consistently, you don't have to worry about whether today is the best day to buy or sell. This approach turns investing into a habit, not a gamble. By sticking to your plan, you avoid the pitfalls of fear and impatience that often lead to poor decisions. It's easy to blame the market for losses or missed opportunities, but the real enemy is often our own emotions. Fear makes us panic when prices drop, and impatience tempts us to chase quick gains when prices rise. Dollar cost averaging helps you sidestep these emotional traps by keeping your actions steady and predictable. Over time, this discipline can make a significant difference in your financial outcomes. Dollar cost averaging transforms investing from a stressful event into a simple routine. By making regular contributions, you build a habit that supports your long-term goals. This steady approach removes the guesswork and anxiety, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your wealth over time. Habits are powerful, and when applied to investing, they can lead to remarkable results. Think of dollar cost averaging like crossing a shaky bridge. Instead of making a risky leap and hopping for the best, you take steady steps forward, one after another. Each investment is a step toward your goal, and over time, these steps add up. The journey may be slow, but it's reliable and safe, helping you reach the other side with confidence. History shows that even professional investors struggle to time the market perfectly. The unpredictable nature of stocks means that luck often plays a bigger role than skill. However, consistency is something anyone can master. By participating regularly, you give yourself the best chance to benefit from long-term growth, regardless of short-term fluctuations. The lesson is clear: you don't need perfect timing to build wealth. What you need is steady participation. By investing regularly, you harness the power of discipline and habit, allowing your money to grow over time. This approach is accessible to everyone, regardless of experience or market knowledge. Wealth isn't created in a single moment of brilliance. It's built through a lifetime of discipline and steady action. Dollar cost averaging embodies this principle, offering a path to financial success that doesn't rely on luck or timing. By focusing on consistency, you lay the foundation for lasting prosperity. Trying to time the market is like trying to predict the weather. Sometimes you get it right, but more often you don't. The market's movements are influenced by countless factors, many of which are impossible to foresee. Dollar cost averaging removes the need for prediction, letting you focus on what you can control. Habits shape our lives, and investing is no different. By making investing a habit, you create a system that works for you, regardless of market conditions. Dollar cost averaging is a habit anyone can build, and it's one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over time. Many people chase moments of brilliance, hopping for a big win, but consistency is far more powerful. Dollar cost averaging rewards those who show up regularly, not those who make risky bets. Over time, steady participation leads to greater success than chasing fleeting opportunities. When you make investing a routine, it becomes part of your life. Dollar cost averaging encourages this by making regular contributions automatic. This removes stress and uncertainty, allowing you to focus on your goals rather than market noise. Emotions can sabotage even the best investment plans. Fear and greed drive impulsive decisions that often lead to losses. Dollar cost averaging helps you avoid these pitfalls by sticking to a consistent plan regardless of how you feel. Markets go up and down, sometimes dramatically. This volatility can be intimidating, but dollar cost averaging helps you navigate it safely. By investing regularly, you smooth out the bumps and avoid the stress of sudden changes. Wealth is rarely built overnight. It's a slow process requiring patience and discipline. Dollar cost averaging supports this by encouraging regular, manageable investments. Over time, these small steps add up to significant progress. Let's look at how dollar cost averaging works in practice. Imagine investing $100 every month regardless of market conditions. Some months, prices are high and you buy fewer shares. Other months, prices are low and you buy more. Over time, your average cost per share is balanced, reducing the impact of market swings. Dollar cost averaging is accessible to everyone. You don't need a large sum to start. Even small, regular investments can make a big difference over time. This approach democratizes investing, making it possible for anyone to participate and grow their wealth. By investing consistently, you create opportunities for growth that aren't dependent on luck. Dollar cost averaging lets you benefit from market ups and downs, turning volatility into an advantage rather than a threat. Many investors make mistakes by trying to time the market or reacting emotionally. Dollar cost averaging helps you avoid these errors by sticking to a plan. This reduces risk and increases your chances of long-term success. Discipline is the foundation of successful investing. Dollar cost averaging encourages discipline by requiring regular action. This advantage helps you stay on track even when the market is unpredictable. Dollar cost averaging encourages a long-term perspective. Instead of focusing on daily market movements, you look at the bigger picture. This mindset helps you stay calm and committed even during turbulent times. Market volatility can be frightening, but dollar cost averaging turns it into a strength. By buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, you take advantage of fluctuations rather than fearing them. The more consistently you invest, the more confident you become. Dollar cost averaging builds this confidence by providing a clear, repeatable process. Over time, you see your progress and trust your plan. Dollar cost averaging simplifies investing. Instead of worrying about market timing or complex strategies, you follow a straightforward plan. This simplicity makes it easier to stick with your goals and avoid distractions. Building wealth is a habit, not a one-time event. Dollar cost averaging helps you develop this habit by encouraging regular, disciplined action. Over time, your consistent efforts create lasting results. The market is full of noise, news, opinions, and predictions. Dollar cost averaging helps you tune out this noise by focusing on your plan. This clarity allows you to make better decisions and stay committed. Patience is essential in investing. Dollar cost averaging rewards those who are patient, allowing their investments to grow steadily over time. This approach teaches you to trust the process and avoid rushing for quick gains. If you're new to investing, dollar cost averaging is a great place to start. It's simple, effective, and doesn't require expert knowledge. By investing regularly, you build confidence and experience, setting yourself up for future success. Investing can feel like an emotional roller coaster with highs and lows that test your resolve. Dollar cost averaging helps you stay steady, avoiding the ups and downs that come from chasing market trends. Dollar cost averaging removes much of the stress from investing. By following a consistent plan, you don't have to worry about market timing or sudden changes. This peace of mind lets you focus on your goals. Small, regular investments can have a big impact over time. Dollar cost averaging proves that you don't need to make huge moves to succeed. Every step counts, and together they build a strong foundation. Uncertainty is a constant in the market. Dollar cost averaging helps you overcome this by providing a stable, predictable approach. Consistency is your shield against the unknown. Participating in the market regularly is more valuable than waiting for perfect timing. Dollar cost averaging encourages participation, letting you benefit from growth and avoid missing out. Even professionals struggle to time the market perfectly. Dollar cost averaging levels the playing field, allowing anyone to succeed through consistency. You don't need expert skills, just a steady approach. Making investing a habit is the key to long-term success. Dollar cost averaging supports this by encouraging regular, disciplined action. Over time, your habit becomes your greatest asset. Investing shouldn't be a gamble. Dollar cost averaging removes the element of chance, replacing it with a reliable process. This approach lets you build wealth steadily without risking everything on a single bet. Crossing a shaky bridge is a lot like investing. Instead of jumping and hopping for the best, dollar cost averaging encourages steady steps forward. Each investment is a step, and together they carry you safely to your goal. Consistency is something anyone can master. Dollar cost averaging proves that you don't need to be a market expert to succeed. By showing up regularly, you build skills and confidence that last a lifetime. Wealth is built through a lifetime of discipline. Dollar cost averaging embodies this principle, encouraging regular, steady action. Over the years, your discipline pays off, creating lasting prosperity. In summary, dollar cost averaging is a powerful tool for building wealth. It removes the need for perfect timing, replaces emotion with discipline, and turns investing into a habit. Consistency is the secret to long-term success, and anyone can master it. Your journey to wealth starts with a single step, a commitment to consistency. Dollar cost averaging offers a simple, effective path forward. By investing regularly, you build a foundation for financial success that lasts a lifetime. Start today and let discipline guide your way.